or do activities. Over. We do a lot of things for fun, and we play, like floating is already a lot of fun, and we also listen to music, we play to music, we can play board games, we can look out the window and look for targets, watch TV, listen to music, watch movies, reading, you name it, we have a lot of ways. Over. One favorite thing, but I have many favorite things, but which make up life. It's living in space that really attracts me here. Working here, exercising, doing science, doing maintenance, doing spacewalks, coming up here, landing, all these things together is what makes space so fascinating. It's the exploration of the limits. Over. Different kinds of spacesuits, one for coming up and down from the space station and the other one for spacewalks. They are very different from each other, and they are, I wouldn't say that they are comfortable, but they are very useful, so we just make do. Over. I don't know, what do you mean by difficult? Anything can be difficult, and usually something is interesting is also difficult. I have very little experience in things that are easy and interesting at the same time. I don't usually consider things difficult. I consider them a challenge, and I try to respond to every challenge by overcoming it. Over. Well, Natasha, if we had ice cream, we would certainly eat it. Unfortunately, we don't have any. Over. Tonight I have to have dinner with some specific food that was selected for me for an experiment. So I think that I have a small steak, some nuts and vegetables. I think I have broccoli with cheese and cauliflower au gratin. Over. Hello. We share the same name. Taking off, it means you're coming up and you're starting your adventure, so it's very exciting. And when you're ending your adventure, you're starting another, you're going home to your friends and family, so it's exciting for a different way. Over. You know, it's really hard to pick one thing, but if I really had to, I would say it's human contact, human touch, and that's probably the thing that I can. We see them all the time, and they are really fascinating, especially at night when all you see is these huge clouds with the light